out here again, trying to catch some damn food. I wonder what the kids doing at the house. My wife probably sitting up there tending to the kids. This water is really pouring today. I'm always out here hunting by myself. You know, try to keep things steady and silent, no shake. Yeah, man gotta do what he gotta do to get this food for the kids. Yeah, I wonder what my son doing. Probably playing with my grandbaby. Yeah, I got grandkids too. So I ain't caught nothing yet. This goddamn water moved too fast for me though. Woo, look at that water there, baby. Look at that water. This is what I have to go through to get to you, y'all. Unlike you husbands have to go to Walmart. Y'all go to Walmart and shit. Me, I have to really survival of the fittest, baby, out here, you know. Well, guess I'll just sit here and think silently. Wait for something to hear. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Look like I see something. In the water in front of me. In the water in front of me. In the water in front of me is where I